Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure you have an administrator account and a backup of any documents and the Office product key. This prevents data loss. Once ready, open Command Prompt as Administrator, right-click and choose Run as Administrator, because uninstalling requires elevated privileges. Next, locate the Office 2007 product GUID using WMIC or by checking the registry. This GUID is the exact identifier you will pass to the uninstall command, so get it right before proceeding. Now you find and run the uninstall command. Use WMIC. Type WMIC product where name like %Office 2007%, get name, identifying number and press enter. That returns the identifying number, the GUID. If WMIC returns nothing, look under the uninstall registry key for the same GUID. Once you have the GUID, run msecx/xguid/qn for a silent removal or omit/qn to prompt the user. This invokes the Windows installer to properly remove Office components and shared files. Finish by rebooting and verifying that Office 2007 is gone from programs and features. This ensures services release files. Manually delete leftover folders in program files and app data, and clean registry remnants if you are comfortable editing the registry. If the msecx uninstall fails, run msecx/fa-guid to repair, then retry/x. Alternatively, use the Microsoft Fix-It Cleanup tool to remove stubborn entries. Make sure to reboot after cleanup to restore normal system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.